Hello guys, this is Sir B at welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Today, we are going to solve an algebra problem. As you can see, we have division of polynomials. So we have here a third degree polynomial divided by a first degree polynomial. When I say degree of polynomial, that pertains to the highest exponent sa given polynomial. Look at the first polynomial. As you can see, the highest exponent is 3, right? So hence, ang tawag sa kanya ay third degree polynomial. Okay, by the way, so in this video, I am going to show you two types of solutions. The first one is the long method, and then later on, we have the shortcut method. So kaya tapusin mo ang video na to para makita mo ang shortcut method. So let's do it. So we have here 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 11x plus 6 divided by x minus 2. Okay, so how do we divide polynomials? So first, we need to divide itong first term, okay, yung leading term, i-divide natin sa leading term ng another polynomial. So we have 2x cubed divided by x. So di ba, we copy 2, then copy x, then subtract the exponent. So we have 2x squared, kasi 3 minus 1. So we have a quotient 2x squared. 2x squared. So di ba po, dinivide natin ito. Dinivide natin ito dito. So lagyan ko ng arrow para clear sa inyo na. So next step natin, itong nakuha natin na quotient na 2x squared, i-multiply natin dito sa x. So parang nag-reverse process tayo, no? Di ba? So kung nag-reverse process tayo, ano makukuha natin? So of course, ang makukuha natin ay mabalik yun sa 2x cubed. Diba? Kasi 2x cubed divided by x, nakuha natin is 2x squared. Minultiply natin sa x. So pabalik talaga yun sa 2x cubed. So next, i-multiply natin yung 2x squared sa negative 2. So of course, magkaiba yung sign nila. So negative ang makukuha natin na product, di ba? Opposite sign, kapag minultiply, negative ang sagot. So we have negative 4, then copy x squared. So yan, parang nag-divide lang tayo ng numbers. So next step natin ay mag-subtract na tayo. Okay? So how do we subtract polynomials? Diba po, ang ginagawa natin, chine-change natin yung kada term ng subtrahend. Itong subtrahend natin. Ito. So i-change natin ito. Diba from positive magiging negative. Ito from negative magiging positive. Then proceed to addition. So of course, kapag sinubtract natin yung first terms na 2x cubed then 2x cubed, they are just the same, di ba? Kaya 0 yon. So ito ay magiging 7x squared, di ba? Then bring down natin yung negative 11x. And next, ganun ulit yung gagawin natin, 7x squared divided by x. So ang makukuha natin ay 7x. So copy natin dito yung 7x. Then, ganun uli yung gagawin natin. Mag-multiply tayo. 7x times x. So, we get 7x squared. 7x times negative 2, negative 14x. Okay? Then, subtract ulit tayo. So, ano makukuha natin? So, dapat careful tayo dito. Huwag natin kalimutan mag-change ng sign. Okay? Ano po ang makukuha natin? Makukuha natin ay, so this is 3x, di ba? Kasi negative 11 plus positive 14 equals positive, di ba? Positive 3. 3x. Then copy the variable x. Then bring down natin si 6. Then 3x divided by x. Of course, makakancel na yung x. So we get positive 3. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6. Then subtract ulit tayo. So, mag-change tayo ng sign negative, ito positive, and proceed to addition. And next, makuha natin. So, this is equal to 12. So, meron po tayo ditong remainder. So, ibig sabihin guys, itong polynomial na dinivide natin, 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 11x plus 6 divided by x minus 2, The quotient is, ano yung nakuha natin na quotient? 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 plus a remainder plus 12 divided by x minus 2. Okay? By the way, another method, yung pinakamadaling method or mas madaling method, yung tinatawag na synthetic division. Okay? So first, kopyahin natin yung mga coefficients ng dividend natin. So we have 2, then 3, then negative 11, then 6. Kumbaga po, ito po ay yung coefficient ng x cubed, di ba? Ito naman para sa x squared, ito naman yung para sa x, and ito yung para sa constant. Okay? So next step po natin, equate natin yung divisor sa 0. So x minus 2 equals 0, so we get 2, right? So, i-divide natin siya sa 2. And, okay? So then, mangyayari, i-bring down natin yung 2, yung first coefficient ng x cubed. Then, 2 times 2. So, ito po ay i-multiply natin. Okay? So, what is 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4. Then, ang gagawin po natin dito ay mag-a-add. Okay? So, hindi na po tayo dito magsusubtract kasi nga yung x minus 2 na divisor, in-equate natin sa 0. Naging siyang positive 2. And treat na lang natin yung mga coefficients ng polynomial, di ba? So, kaya plus na tayo dito. So, we get 7, right? So, 7 times 2, that is 14. So, minus 14 plus, negative 11 plus 14 is 3. 3 times 2, that is 6. And we get 12. So, therefore, ano yung quotient natin? And answer. So, since ang degree ng dividend natin ay x cubed and ang degree ng divisor natin ay x, so ano makukuha natin? X squared. Ibig sabihin, x squared, yung highest, yung degree ng quotient natin ay degree 2. Okay? Or x squared, yung, yung leading term na tinatawag. Okay? So, kumbaga, ito po ay yung coefficient ng x squared. Ito yung sa x, ito yung sa constant, and ito yung sa remainder. Therefore, ano yung sagot natin? Ang sagot po natin ay 2x cubed or 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 plus the remainder 12 divided by x minus 2. The same po ba? Yeah. Same ang answer natin. So, I hope natuto tayo dito sa video na to. And kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, like, comment, and share naman. At sana mag-subscribe kayo sa channel natin para sa iba pang video. Thank you so much.